Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So students, now we will discuss that how we will find the inverse of 3 cross 3 matrix. The process will be little different from the finding the inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix, and I will show you there are multiple steps involved in this process. As you can see that here example is given and we have to find the inverse of this matrix. Matrix A is given, which is 1 minus 2 1 0 1 minus 2 minus 1 2 0. And what we have to find here, we have to find A inverse. So how we will find the inverse in 3 cross 3 matrix? So student, how we know that this is 3 cross 3 matrix? As you can see that the number of rows are 3. Also the number of columns are also 3. So from here you can see that the given matrix is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Now I will go further and I will solve the example for you. So here matrix is given and we have to find A inverse. Student, you know the finding inverse, there is a specific formula which is A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by A determinant. So in this formula we need two values. One is adjoint of A and second is A determinant. So first we will find the A determinant, then we will find the adjoint of A, and then we will put these both values in this formula and we will get our answer. So first we will go for A determinant. So how we will find A determinant? You have to write the given matrix here, that is 1 minus 2 1 0 1 minus 2 minus 1 2 0. Now to find determinant, what I will do, I will just take the first element and I will write that element here. And what I will do here, as you can see, the first element lies in the first row and first column. So I will just eliminate the first row and first column, and what remain will be, I will write this remaining thing here. Okay, so what I will do, as you can see, 1 minus 2 2 0 are the numbers which remains. So I will write it in a little matrix form. Now I will go for second element. So student, here second element is minus 2. So I will write minus 2 here, but also there is the formula negative sign. So I will put negative sign of formula and here I will write the second element. Now as you can see that second element lies in the first row and second column. So what I will do, I will write the remaining elements here, that is 0 minus 2 minus 1 0. Now I will go for the third element. Here the third element is 1. So I will write here plus, which is the formula plus, and I will write that one here. And what I will do, as you can see, the 1 lies in the first row and third column. So I will just eliminate these two things and what remains will be right here. So I will write the remaining elements here, that is 0 1 minus 1 2. Now what I get here, I have to just always, as first element is 1, so I will write 1. And here I just cross multiply these two numbers and put the negative sign between them. So here 1 multiplied by 0 is 0 and minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 4. Now I will go further, as here you can see minus into minus is plus 2. And here again I will just cross multiply. Here 0 multiplied by 0 is 0 and minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to plus 2. Here I get plus 1. Again I here just cross multiply and put the negative sign between them. So 0 multiplied by 2 is 0 and minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1. So what I get here, 1 0 plus 4 plus 2 0 minus 2 plus 1, 0. As you know, minus into minus is plus. So what I get here is 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, plus 2 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to minus 4. And here plus 1 multiplied by plus 1 is equal to plus 1. So what I get here is these numbers. Now I have to just cancel out 4 and 4, and what remains is plus 1. So here determinant of A is equal to plus 1. So student, as you see that we find the A determinant which is equals to plus 1. Now I will go further and I will solve for the adjoint of A. Now we have to find adjoint of A. So student, for finding adjoint of A, there are 3 steps involved. In first step, we will find the minors. First step, we will find the minors. There are 9 set of minors, that is M11, M12, M13 and M21, M22, M23, and third set is M31, M32, M33. So always remember that in 3 cross 3 matrix there are 9 minors are involved. Okay, this will be our first step. In second step, what we will do, in second step we will convert these minors into cofactors. Convert minors into cofactors. So we will get our cofactors, and cofactors are always represented by capital A11, A12, A13. Second set is A21, A22, A23, and third set is A31, A32, A33. These will be our cofactors, and in third step what we will do, in third step we will take the transpose of our cofactors. We will take transpose of our matrix which contains cofactors. Okay, and then when we will take the transpose of the matrix which contains cofactors, we will get the adjoint of A. So you have to just remember these 3 steps. First, we will find minors. In second step, we will convert minors into cofactors. And in third step, we will just take the transpose of cofactor matrix and we will get our adjoint of A. Now, I will go for the first step, that is, I will find the minors of the matrix. So, how I will find the minors? So, I will write here my first step. Finding minors. As you know, there are 9 set of minors. So I will go for first minor, that is M11. So student, what M11 means? Here you can see 2 small numbers. So always remember that the number which lies on the left side is represents rows, and the number which lies on the right side represents columns. So what this means? It means that I will just remove the first row and first column from the matrix and write the remaining elements. That will become my first minor. So here I will just eliminate the first row and first column from the given matrix. So our given matrix is here. Here I will just eliminate the first row and first column. So what remains is 1 minus 2, 2, 0. So I will write these 4 numbers here. So how I will solve this? Just cross multiply and put the negative sign between them. So 1 zeros are 0 and minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 4. So what I get here is 0 plus 4, which is equal to plus 4. So my first minor is 4. Okay. Now I will solve for my second minor. As you know, second minor is M12. So what is mean by M12 here? 1 shows the row and 2 shows the column. So it means now I have to eliminate the first row and second column. So I will go and I will just eliminate the first row and second column of the matrix. So here the given matrix is this. So I will just eliminate the first row and second column. So what remains is 0 minus 2 minus 1 0. So I will write these 0 minus 2 minus 1 0. Now what I will do here, I will just cross multiply them and put the negative sign between them. So 0 multiplied by 0 is 0 and minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 2. So what I get here is minus 2. So here M12 is equal to minus 2. Now I will go for M13. So here what is mean by 1 3? Here now I have to eliminate the first row and third column. Okay. Here the first row is this one and third column is this one, and what remains is 0, 1, minus 1, 2. So I will write these numbers in M13. 0, 1, minus 1, 2. And I have to just cross multiply these numbers and put the negative sign between them. So 0 multiplied by 2 is 0 and minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1. So what I get here is 0 plus 1. So M13 is equal to plus 1. And as I find the third minor, now I will go for the fourth minor, and fourth minor is M21. So I will just find the fourth minor. So here 2 show the number of row and 1 show the number of column. So what it means that now I will have to just eliminate the second row and first column from the given matrix. So here in given matrix, second row and first column of the matrix. So what remains is minus 2 1 2 0. So I will write these numbers in here. So what remains will be right here 1 2 0. And what I will do here, I will just cross multiply both of them and just put the negative sign between them. So minus 2 multiplied by 0 is 0 and minus 2 ones are 2. So here I get minus 2. So here M21 minor is equal to minus 2. Now I will go for the next minor, and the next minor is M22. So here what means by M22, here the left side show the row and right side show the column. So it means now I will eliminate the second row and second column from the given matrix. Here the second row is this one and second column is this one. So what remains here is 1 1 minus 1 0 is equal to 1 1 minus 1 0. And what I will do here, I will just again cross multiply them and I will put the negative sign between them. So what I will get, 1 zeros are 0, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to minus 1, so it will become plus 1. So M22 is equal to plus 1. Now I will go for the next minor. So here next minor will be M23. So what 2 3 shows, 2 is the number of row and 3 is the number of column. So it means that now I will eliminate the second row and third column from the given matrix. So student, here the second row is this one and third column is this one. So what remains here is 1 minus 2 minus 1 2. So I will write these numbers here. 1 minus 2 minus 1 2. And what I will do here, again I will just cross multiply these numbers and put the negative sign between them. So here I will get 2 ones are 2, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to plus 2. So here I get, so they both will cancel out each other and I get the answer 0. So here M23 is equal to 0. Now I will go for the next set of minors, which was M31, M32 and M33. So first I will solve for M31. So here 3 is the number of row as it is on the left side, and on the right side 1 shows the number of column. So it means that now I will eliminate this third row and first column of the given matrix. So student, here in given matrix, the third row is this one and the first column is this one. So what remains here is minus 2, 1, 1, minus 2. So I will write these numbers here in this minor. That is minus 2, 1, 0, minus 2. And what I will do here, again I will just cross multiply both numbers. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to 4 and minus 1 zeros are 0. So what I get here is 4. So M31 is equal to 4. Now I will go for the next minor, which is M32. Now again here 3 showed the number of row and 2 show the number of column. So it means that now I will eliminate the third row and second column of the given matrix. I will just eliminate the third row and second column of the given matrix, and what remains here is 1 1 0 minus 2. So I will write these numbers here in this minor. Here 1 1 0 minus 2. So what I will do here, I will be cross multiply these both numbers and I will put the negative sign between them, minus 2 and minus 0. So what I will get here is minus 2. So M32 is equal to minus 2. Now this is the last minor, which is M33. So I will just solve for M33. So what 33 means, as here this 3 show the row and this 3 show the column. So it means that now I will eliminate the third row and third column of the given matrix. So here the given matrix is this one. Now what I will do, I will just eliminate the third row and third column. So now here what remains is 1 minus 2 0 1. So I will just write these numbers in this minor. So here I will write these numbers, that is 1 minus 2 0 1. And again what I will do here, I will just cross multiply and put negative sign between them. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 and minus 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. So here I get 1. So M33, which is the last minor, is equals to 1. So students, my first step is complete here, as I just find all the minors which are required for 3 cross 3 matrix. Now my second step will be start. Now what will be my second step? In my second step, I will just convert these minors into cofactors. So how I will do this? So student, I will write it here, convert minors into cofactors. So student, here first cofactor, which is A11, will be equals to first minor, but first minor will be positive. Then second cofactor, which is A12, will be equal to minus M12. Okay. Then third cofactor, which is A13, will be equal to minor M13, but it will again positive. Okay. Then I will go further, and the next set of cofactors will be A21. So it will be equals to M21, but here now the sign will be negative. Now I will go for the next cofactor, which is a double 2. So here a double 2 is equal to plus m double 2. And the next cofactor is a23, which is equal to minus m23. Now next set of cofactors will start, so they will be a31, a32 and a33. So here a31 is equal to plus m31, a32 is equal to minus m32, and a33, which is the last cofactor of 3 cross 3 matrix, is equal to plus m33. So student, as you see that how we just convert the minors into cofactors, as you can see that first term is positive, then negative, then positive, then negative, and similarly goes on. Okay, so how I will write these numbers? As you know that first cofactor, that is m11, is equal to plus 4. So I will write plus 4 here. Second cofactor, that is m12, which we just find above, was equal to minus 2, and there is also the formula negative, so I will write minus 2, so it will become plus 2. Okay, now I will go further, and as you know that m13, that is the third minor, was equal to plus 1, so I will write just plus 1 here. Next minor was m21, so m21 was equal to plus 2. So here there is a formula sign, negative sign, and m21 was equal to minus 2. So again here minus into minus plus, so it will be plus 2. Now next minor m22 was equal to plus 1. So I will write plus 1 here. Next minor was m23, which was equals to 0. So here it will be equals to 0. Again the minor m31 was equals to plus 3. So here it will be equals to plus 3. Minor m32 was equal to minus 3. So here the negative sign of the formula and minus 3. So here it will become minus into minus plus 3. And the last minor m33 was equals to plus 1. So I will write here plus 1. I will write these cofactors into matrix form. So here I get, as you know that the cofactors I will write here in matrix form, a11, a12, a13. Second set is a21, a22, a23. Third set is a31, a32, a33. Okay student, so here what I will do, I will just put on all the cofactor values which I just find here. So I will get a new matrix here, which is the combination of cofactors. So here I will just put the values of a11. So what was a11 here? Plus 4. So I will write plus 4 here. Then a12 was equal to 2, a13 was equal to 1, a21 is equal to 2, a22 is equal to 1, a23 is equal to 0, a31 is equal to 3, a32 is equal to 3, and a33 is equal to 1. So here student, you just observe that we get a new matrix, which is the combination of cofactors and minors. So here this matrix will be used to find the adjoint of A. How? For this we will go for our third step. And in third step what I will do, I will just take the transpose of this new matrix. Okay, take transpose of new matrix. Not the matrix which is given, but the matrix which we just find with the help of cofactors and minors. So my third step will be this. So here what I will do, why I will take transpose, because adjoint of A is equals to A transpose. Okay, that's why I will take the transpose of this matrix. So it will become equals to adjoint of A. So how I will take transpose of this matrix? I will write here T, which is used for transpose. So student, what I will do for the transpose, here the first row is this one. When I will take transpose of the matrix, this row will change into column. So it will be in this shape, -4, 2, 1. Now second row is this one, and I will just convert into second column. So it will be like this. Third row is this one, and this will be converted in third column like this. So student, as you see that how we just convert the matrix into transpose matrix, that is when we will take the transpose of a matrix, the rows will change into columns. Okay, now student, as you know that A transpose is equal to adjoint of A, so I will write here adjoint of A instead of A transpose, and I will write the same matrix again, that is -4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 0, 1. So student, as I find the adjoint of A, also I find the A determinant. So now I can easily find the A inverse, which was equals to adjoint of A divided by A determinant. So here I just find the adjoint of A, so I will just put its value here, which is -4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 0, 1. And what was A determinant? As I just find A determinant was equals to, here I will show you that where we just find the A determinant. So student, here we just find the A determinant and it is equals to 1. So I will just put this value in this formula. Here instead of A determinant I will put 1, and you know that this one will be divided with all the numbers here. Okay, and you know that whenever any number divide by 1, we get the same number again. So it means that here the answer will be same matrix again. So student, this is our final step. We just find the A inverse of 3 cross 3 matrix. So student, as you see that the process is not so difficult, but it's just a little long process. And if you follow the steps, then it will be easily solved. Okay student, that's all for today. Now see you in the next video. Thank you so much.